Zozio is a solution to track and trace all the production flows in factories. We are optimizing the way to deliver products onto the shop floor, enabling operators and managers to save up to 30 minutes per day, and also to enable factories to reduce delivery delays onto the shop floor. For example, in automotive industry, 1 car each minute, reducing that delivery delays onto the shop floor.
So we deploy IoT trackers on the assets of goods of our customers to track them and geolocate them in real time, so that we can provide this information to the operators or the managers on the shop floor and alert them of any delays or their production in real time.
Our ambition is to be the leader in Europe in optimizing production flows in factories. So first we scaled in France, and now we are increasing our sales team in Germany, the biggest market, 3 times bigger than the French one. And in next year's scale our business in Europe based on France and Germany. Industrya help us first bringing some capital, but it's not sufficient. So we are very proud to have Industrya because they are helping us in our operational topics. Thibaut has a lot of experience in creating a startup, managing a startup, and also finding product market fit and scaling the business. So he's helping us when we need him, and also, yes, to address big enterprises, which is our clients.